can see the water. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous today. Okay, shh, we're giving you a sneak peek. Probably not even supposed to be in here, but look at these townhomes. Look at this. You get a nice living room space here, beautiful kitchen. They don't have the appliances in yet, but I'm just kind of sneaking in. Look at this. This is the backyard. They're getting in the irrigation right now. Take a look at this. Oops. Not bad, right? Anyway, you get a nice little patio with these, and then if you don't mind not having lights on, come with me and we'll run upstairs and I'll show you the bedrooms. But you got cabinets, you've got an island, you've got closets, you've got a 2-car garage, you got LVP throughout, so you know this stuff is great for pets and sand and all that, and you know the beaches are pet friendly, so you can take your dog right across the beach. The bedroom with the views, you get 2 bedrooms with views. Look at these views. So surprising. We don't have lights yet, but these 2 bedrooms share this full bath. It's a tub shower combination with a water closet. You got laundry right here. Doing our speed tour. Another bedroom. This would make a great office or a bunk room. So that was 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th bedroom. Take a look, and this has an ensuite bath with this one. This is the master, so you got plenty of room for a king-size bed. You've got a double vanity in here. You have a tiled shower. So there you go. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, views of the Gulf. At this price, can't beat it. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.